Hello traders, welcome to the Wavy Tunnel Pro Breakout 4 Trading Challenge with FX Trader's Edge. Today we're going to update our positions and look at some trading tips. Let's just review the setup. This is the 8-wave market cycle where we have 5 waves up and then 3 waves coming down, and we're interested in finding trades down here. So after the market has corrected, we find trades down here. So this is an example of the setup. This is Adobe. The ready signal shows when you see the gray dot, and then the trigger shows when you see the green arrow. If you're not part of our Discord channel yet, please join us. Click on the link and join our Discord stock challenge. This is our watch list for the week of November 1st, and this is from our scanner, our Breakout Force scanner on stocks. We see the ready column, and then we see the signal column. The ready column is when we see the gray dot. The signal column is when we see the arrow and price has already started to move up. So these are all of the potential trades that either are setting up or have set up. There aren't too many trades just setting up right now, and that's because many of these trades are in progress already. Something that we can do is we can go down to the 4-hour chart and look for trades setting up. But these are the daily charts for these lucrative breakout 4 trades. This is a summary of all the trades taken. We've exited many of our positions already. We still have these 3 positions on the books that expire in November because they're options positions. Other breakout 4 trades taken this week are these 4 trades. We'll discuss them shortly. AMT. We triggered this trade. Price needs to close above 255 to gain full profits with a November expiration. Today's closing price was 282. We're leaving orders to close at 485. $5 would be the full profits. If we get triggered 3 weeks before option expiration, then it provides more capital in the account. CINA, price needs to close above 165 down here in order to gain full profits. We're already closing at 209, so I'm not concerned that we're not going to capture full profits, but I do have an order in to close at 490 when full profits is $5. So we haven't gotten triggered yet. Maybe tomorrow we'll get triggered. This one, JKHY, price needs to close above 155 down here to gain full profits. We have earnings coming out on November 8th, so my plan is to close this trade before earnings on November 8th. This is LH. We got lucky with this one. We took the trade. Price needed to close above 270 to gain full profits. We got triggered somewhere in here and left an order to close the position at $9.30, took the trade at $8, so made $1.30 in a couple of days. Full profits would have gained us $10, but we would have had to wait another 3 weeks for that to happen. So it doesn't hurt to stick orders in the trading platform to see if we get triggered, and we got triggered on this one, so that was a good one. Pfizer, this is also a breakout 4 trade. We decided to buy shares on this one instead of doing a vertical spread. So we're long the shares on this one. Let's see what happens here. Same with Kroger, KR. We're long the shares on this one. Let's see what happens here. This is a trade that went against us. We took the trade last week. Price needed to close above 125 to gain full profits. We have a strict stop loss, which is in place on our positions. The position was closed at 380. The position was taken at 410. So on this position size, $300 was lost. For these breakout 4 trades, let's discuss some rules of engagement for trade planning. 1, define the trade parameters, and that includes the entry, the stop loss, and the profit target. 2, check the positions once a day at a minimum. 3, leave profit limit orders at 50% or 75% of full profits. There's nothing wrong with putting a position on, and if you get 50 or 75% of full profits within a week, that's an excellent return. They don't have to wait for the full month, and you can use your capital elsewhere. Set your stop loss at 50% of full profits. This is really important to do, to take your losses. And check for earnings announcements and avoid option expiration the same week. With these 5 positions, 4 of the positions were exited not at full profits, but a profit is a profit. Instead of $5, they were exited at $4.75, $4.90, or $4.90. Instead of $10, in just a few days, the position was exited at $9.30. This was a losing position with the strict stop loss. So this is the watch list for this week. Have a look at these stocks. The red, it means bearish breakout 4 trades. The green means bullish breakout 4 trades. Some of these have triggered 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 days ago. So have a look at this. You can always go down to a smaller time frame also to find the breakout 4 trades. You can go down to the 4-hour, you can go down to the hourly. These are all the dailies that I've been showing you. Warren Buffett said, diversification is protection against ignorance. It makes little sense if you know what you are doing. Educate yourselves, learn before you start trading, practice in a demo account, and get your track record going. And I just want to invite you to participate in our program, which is coming up, Wavy Tunnel Pro 2021 5-day accelerated trading and mentorship program. It starts December 5th. But of course, if you join today, then you will have access to all the learning materials immediately, and you can prepare yourselves for the December 5th live coaching with myself. And this is our flagship trading program. It's good for forex, stocks and options, futures. It's really good for all markets, and we have this beautiful new scanner that I've been showing you on stocks. The breakout 4 does a lot of other things as well that I haven't really discussed. So please join us, and you will learn a lot. It truly is a master's training in trading market cycles. You'll learn all about Elliott and Fibonacci. You will have access to our proprietary combination of cycle high and low indicators with momentum indicators. You'll get 12 live coaching sessions with me. You'll be privy to student trade analysis sessions and trade plans with exact entry and exit rules. You'll have lifetime access to all training materials. You will be able to participate in our exclusive Discord channel. An invaluable benefit is professional tools and education to trade stocks and options, futures, forex, and crypto with consistency. So please join us. December 5th is the start date. WavyTunnelPro.com. See you on the inside.